Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. I hope you're all well. I'm going to do a quick entry in my September Traveler's Notebook. I'm going to document these two photos of my children, and I'm going to call it date time because I like to take my children out on dates. I'm sure you guys all like to do it. I'm going to use these Maggie Holmes printables, these beautiful yellow roses and pale pink background. I tend not to go for yellow, but I just thought it'd be different to use something different, push yourself at your comfort zone, and I thought it shows off the darker photos of my children. So I just thought I need some lightness to bring some light to this layout. So I want to back these photos with some white cardstock and some dark blue cardstock. I just thought it looks nice to frame these photos. And I've also cut the Maggie Holmes printable in half, and I'm just putting it now across over the paper. I just thought it would look interesting to have a different element than just stucking photos on top of a rose background. So just to spread it over the page, and then I'm going to put the photo sort of off-centered on the either sides of the page, as you can see here. As I said, yeah, yellow is probably not my favorite color. I mean, sometimes I do like it, but for scrapbooking, probably not. So it's good sometimes to push you out of your comfort zone, because I was actually at the end very delighted with this layout. It looks different and looks pretty, and this yellow with the roses is just really delightful. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to take some of these pale pink paper, which goes very nicely with this printable because it's all part of the same range. I can't remember what range it is. I will link it down in the description for you. I want to cut out a horizontal rectangular, and I'm putting it horizontally down over this vertical long photo. I just think it looks interesting. It just brings different elements. And I'm just tucking this vintage market ticket also next to my photos. The yellow one next to my son, and the pink one next to my daughter. Yeah, as I said, I like to take my kids out for dates. My daughter always liked to have a scone. She's not really a coffee and tea drinker, so we always go out for a scone somewhere. My son loves iced coffee, so we go to Seattle, which is here in South Africa. I think it's probably an American company, but I love their coffees. They're my favorite. As you follow me in my YouTube channel, I'm sure you'll know that. And yeah, he likes to have iced coffee. Now I'm putting some word fetty down. My son, underneath my daughter, I just was looking for a shorter word fetty, and I said love you more. And underneath my son, I put BU. And when my son saw it, he was quite upset because I put underneath my daughter's photo love you more. I mean, obviously I didn't mean it. So he took it off, and as you say in the end, as you will see at the end photos, you will see I've changed it to this moment. So yeah, I was laughing at him. He was quite upset about that. So what I was doing now, I'm just stamping with some various clear stamps I've got in my stash, which says here and now. Unfortunately, that came out a bit skew. I was very unsuccessful with the stamping. I had lots of mishaps. Yeah, I'm just stamping some heart, a black heart, next to sort of the top of my daughter's photo, and at the bottom of my son's photo, just to sort of balance it out. And then my next stamping, unfortunately, I made a bit of a boo-boo. It didn't stamp very clear, and I was trying to get it on top of there, and it just didn't look good. So luckily I got this journaling card which says this makes me happy, and it does make me happy taking my kids out for a date. And also it was pale yellow, so I can put it on top of there, so it worked out perfectly. And then I'm reaching for another word, which is a small word, smile. So I was just thinking that would look nice to put it in threes down at the bottom. The three phrases, here and now, this makes me happy, and smile. So that one turned at least out nicely. Now I'm reaching some of these foam pads, which I've put the amber side at the one side and sort of a Lucy Sketch Rose, which worked out perfectly. Yes, as I said, this layout turned out very nicely. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like more entries like that, or want to see more videos, please, I would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe. That will really make me happy. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.